What's up guys, Corey coming to you live from TacToys HQ, and we're very proud to announce that we have the J11 in stock online and in store, ready to go. So I'll go over a few features with you. For one, there is no blowback system on this one guys. This is actually a plastic piece as well, not metal. The mag capacity is actually quite large. I'm thinking possibly over 200 gel balls, which is pretty damn good. You've got the railing systems on the side, the top and the bottom, so you can do a few good attachments. At the rear here, it looks like you've just got the standard Gen 9 buttstock. Inside, nylon gearbox casing with nylon gears. That means you can run the 11 volt, absolutely no problem. I'll show you a bit of how it shoots. Now that you've seen how it shoots, let's go and chrono it. So on average, out of all of the shots, I sent through probably, looks like about 31 there. The average actually came back exactly 250. So I've done it a few times, and every single time it's come back at 250 on average, which is pretty damn solid for a gun straight out of the box. This is up on the website and available in store right now, so make sure that you do grab it quickly, because these are going to sell fast. Happy blasting.